Every part of Africa has its own unique food, from the spicy flavors of West Africa to the fragrant spices of North Africa. African cuisine reflects the history, traditions, and geography of the continent. Africa has more than 50 countries and thousands of different ethnic groups, so the food is very varied. Every country has its tastes, ingredients, and ways of cooking. If you like to eat and want to try the different flavors of Africa, here are the countries that should be on your list of places to visit. Let's dive in. 10. Ethiopia. Ethiopian food is a hidden gem that is becoming more and more popular around the world. Ethiopian food is a real treat for the senses because of its unique flavors and the way people eat together. Injera, a sourdough flatbread that is used as the base for many stews and curries, is one of the most famous dishes. The flavors of Ethiopian cuisine are bold and complex, thanks to the use of spices such as berbera, a fiery blend of chili peppers, garlic, ginger, and other aromatic herbs. 9. Morocco. Moroccan cuisine is a fusion of Arab, Berber, and French influences, resulting in a unique culinary experience. With spices like cumin, coriander, and saffron, the flavors are deep and exotic. One of the most well-known dishes is tagine, a stew that is cooked slowly with meat or vegetables and a mix of spices and preserved lemons. Do not forget the mint tea, which is a big part of Moroccan culture and is very refreshing. If you want to experience a world of exotic spices and fragrant herbs, you should try the food of Morocco. 8. Mozambique. Mozambican cuisine is a hidden gem that often gets overlooked. Mozambique is on the southeast coast of Africa. Its cuisine is a mix of Portuguese, Indian, and African flavors. People love peri-peri chicken, which is grilled chicken that has been marinated in a fiery peri-peri sauce. Matapa is another dish that you should try. It is a traditional Mozambican dish made with ground peanuts, cassava leaves, coconut milk, and spices. 7. Kenya. Take a trip through the colorful flavors of Kenya, where each dish tells a story about tradition, culture, and deliciousness. The varied Kenyan cuisine has a wide range of tasty options to please your taste buds, from the busy streets of Nairobi to the quiet coastal towns. The most popular food, ugali, is a staple food made from maize flour that goes well with stews or grilled meats. You can enjoy nyama choma, which is tender grilled meat marinated in fragrant spices and roasted over an open flame. This dish is popular across the country for parties and other gatherings. Don't miss the chance to have a taste of palo, fragrant rice cooked with a medley of spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and cumin, offering a tantalizing fusion of flavors with every bite. 6. Tunisia. Tunisian food is a delicious mix of flavors from the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and North Africa. Tunisian food is a real treat for the taste buds because of its bright spices and strong flavors. Couscous, a grain dish that is often served with a tasty meat or vegetable stew, is one of the most well-known foods. Brick is another dish that you should try. 5. Egypt. Egyptian food is a reflection of the country's long history and many different cultural influences. Egyptian food is a real treat for the taste buds, from the famous falafel to the tasty kos-hori. Falafel, garlic, lemon juice, and spices are used to make full medems, a hearty stew that is one of the most well-known dishes. Kibbeh, a grilled meat kebab that is often served with rice or bread, is another dish that you should try. 3. South Africa. South Africa has a lot of different cultures, so its food is a mix of different tastes. There is a unique mix of flavors in the country's food because it is influenced by African, Dutch, Malay, and Indian cuisines. One of the most well-known dishes is bobo thai, a tasty baked dish made with ground meat, spices, and a topping made of eggs. Boas is a traditional South African sausage that is often grilled and served with chokolaka, a spicy vegetable relish. It is another dish that you should try. Finally, do not forget the famous braai, a South African tradition where people get together to eat meat and tasty sides over a fire. It is impossible to get enough of South African food, which truly reflects the country's rich cultural diversity. 2. Ghana. Delicious Ghanaian food is a true example of West African hospitality. People love Ghanaian food because it has strong flavors and bright spices. One of the most well-known foods is banku, which is fermented cornmeal that is often served with different kinds of soups and stews. You should also try jollof rice, which is a tasty rice dish cooked with tomatoes, peppers, onions, and different spices. The famous fufu is also a must-try in Ghanaian food. Fufu is often served with different kinds of soups and stews. It is made from mashed cassava or yam. Ghana's warm hospitality and lively culture will become a part of you as you try its foods. 1. Nigeria. Nigeria is often at the top of the list when it comes to African food. Nigerian food takes you on a culinary tour of West Africa with its strong flavors and bright spices. A tasty rice dish made with tomatoes, peppers, onions, and different spices is called jollof rice. It is one of the most popular dishes. Another dish you should try is suya, which is a spicy grilled meat skewer that you can often get from street vendors. Do not forget about egusi soup. It is made with meat or fish, ground melon seeds, and vegetables. Nigerian food truly shows the rich culture of the country and will make you want more. In conclusion, there is a lot of history, culture, and food in Africa. From the bright spices of North Africa to the strong taste of West Africa, each part of the continent has its own unique food. Whether you love food or like to take risks when you travel, Africa's wide range of cuisines should be on your list of things to do. We wish you good luck and please comment your thoughts below. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to AfroConnect, like and share this post before you leave.